welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating this look. Let's start with a bit of skincare. I will apply some moisturizer by Face Shop. This is my favorite moisturizer. I have done a detailed review on this on my channel. Please check out the video. Then I will be moisturizing my lips. Then I will be using a serum by Innisfree. It's the Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum. I'm going to give it a nice little massage on my skin. Then I'm going to use a facial mist to lock all the moisture. Then I'm taking a primer by Wet n Wild. This is the Photo Focus primer. I will use this to fill in my pores. Then I will take my go-to foundation, that is the Sugar Ace of Face foundation. I'm in the shade 42 Glaze. I will put it in small dots around my face. I will blend it with the help of a sponge. I have done a detailed review of this sponge as well on my channel. Please check. Then I will start doing my brows. For my brows, I am using the NYX Brow Professional Pencil. It is the Micro Brow Pencil by NYX. Always when you do your brows, do it with a light hand, otherwise it can look too harsh on your face. I love doing my brows as it adds so much definitions to my face. As you can see, I will be doing my other brow and make them look similar in shape. Then I will be taking a concealer on the back of my hand. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade medium, which is a bit light for me. Then I will shape my brows with that. As you can see, I will have some clean edges to my brows. This will definitely define my brows so much. So this is how you can clean and define your brows well. Now you can see the end result. Then I am taking the Maybelline concealer and I am putting it on my eyelids. This will act as an eye primer. I will gently press this into my lid using a concealer brush by PAC Cosmetics. This is the PAC 210 brush. For my eyes today, I will be using 20 something face palette. I am using the Pro Arte brush P22. This is a big blending brush. I will be adding the transition shade into my lid. I will be doing my crease. Then I am taking a big flat shader brush. Using that, I will pick up a blue shade. As you can see, the pigmentation, it is bomb.com. I will be putting it on my lid space. Today I am doing something with the blue. I'm feeling very blue today. So I will be putting it all over my lid space, and I'm sorry for the distraction of the light. I promise I will bring better videos in future. I will be putting that into my both of the lids. Then I'm taking a small blending brush. With the help of that, I will be picking a purple and I will diffuse the blue into that purple so that it doesn't look harsh and it has a bit of more definition into my eyes. Then I'm taking a very small pencil brush by Wet n Wild Cosmetics. I will be putting some pink in my crease to make it look really nice. Then I'm taking a clean blending brush and blending all the three shades together. Together all the three shades will be mixing with each other, but they will not be so much visible. Then I'm doing my lower lash line. I was not happy with the intensity, so I put some more. I'm taking my blue liner. This is by K Beauty brand. This is such a nice liner. I cannot praise enough about this. I will be drawing a wing. As you can see, this is navy blue in color, very pretty to look at. Then I'll be taking the bronzer shade from the palette and I will bronze up my face. This is such a nice bronzer for my skin tone. Then I'll be picking up my favorite blush. This is the Mellow Wine blush from Wet n Wild Cosmetics. This is such a earthy tone to my skin tone. Then I'll be taking my favorite highlighter. I will be highlighting the highest points of my cheek. Then I'll be taking one of my favorite lipsticks. This is the Browning Glory shade from the Sugar Cosmetics. This is one of my favorite lipsticks out there. Then I'll be taking my favorite mascara. This is the Makeup Forever mascara. This is a high-end mascara, but you can get some dupes out there. This is a lengthening one. This makes my lashes really long. I have also applied my falsies. These are Pack 52 lashes. This is the final look. For more such videos, please subscribe. Links of the product used in the video will be in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. See you next week with a new video. Till then,